Today, we're taking a closer look at LTX video version 0.9.7 running on the 13B model. One of the first things you'll notice is just how stable the image quality is, even with detailed animations in motion. It's honestly impressive. For another project, I tested a new prompt featuring a metal guitarist, something you'd typically see as a YouTube thumbnail. The scene was rendered in HD resolution at 1280 by 720. And surprisingly, my 8GB VRAM handled it without any issues. That's a big win for anyone working with limited hardware. What really stood out in this render was the animation quality. The guitarist's hand movement looked incredibly stable, which is usually hard to achieve. The smoke in the background added a dramatic atmosphere, and the orchestral elements behind the guitarist gave the whole scene a cinematic edge. If you're curious about how I put this together, or want a step-by-step breakdown of the workflow, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to share.